Sheer clothing can be an amazing addition to your wardrobe, adding an element of elegance and allure. However, it requires a few hacks and essential items to pull off flawlessly. Here are some useful styling tricks, essential items, and maintenance tips to keep your sheer garments looking their best. First and foremost, seamless undergarments are a must-have. The smooth lines ensure no visible panty lines disrupt the flow of your sheer outfit. Opt for flesh-toned undergarments to make them less noticeable. Another handy trick is layering. Use a lightweight slip or a camisole underneath your sheer top or dress for extra coverage without adding bulk. Fashion tape is a lifesaver when it comes to sheer clothing. It helps secure the fabric in place, preventing any unwanted slips. Another essential is nipple covers. These are discreet and provide the necessary coverage when a bra is not a viable option. Bodysuits are also fantastic under sheer garments. They act as both underwear and a top layer, giving a seamless look. Another trick is to wear high-waisted shorts or skirts underneath sheer bottoms. This adds coverage while maintaining the sheer aesthetic. When it comes to laundry and storage, special care is required to preserve the quality of your sheer garments. Always hand wash your sheer items in cold water with a mild detergent to avoid damaging the delicate fabric. If you must machine wash them, use a laundry bag designed for delicate items. Avoid wringing out sheer fabrics as it can distort their shape. Instead, lay them flat on a towel and gently press out excess water. To dry, lay the garments flat on a clean, dry towel. Keep them away from direct sunlight, which can fade colors. Store sheer clothing by hanging them on padded hangers in your closet to maintain their shape. Consider using garment bags to protect them from dust and snags. With these styling tricks, essential items, and maintenance tips, you can confidently rock your sheer clothing. Keep them looking beautiful for years to come.